In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S21 to car Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a Bluetooth connection between your Samsung smartphone and your car. By doing this, you will be able to access certain applications designed to be used in conjunction with your car, like GPS and other services, and also you can use the audio features. So all that you have to do is first go into your car's panel and make sure that in the settings you have the option to connect a new device. This is going to differ for every single manufacturer. Sadly, I cannot give you specific instructions for your car model on this video, so if you aren't sure on how to access the Bluetooth options for your car, then I recommend reading the manual or looking up instructional videos. But usually you have to go into these settings and there will be a category titled Bluetooth or wireless devices. When you find it, just choose the option to connect a new device. So usually they are going to appear on the list here, or if you tap on connecting device. So now the next step is to enable Bluetooth on your Samsung smartphone. So access the settings, and one of the main categories is going to be Bluetooth. You can also use the search function if you cannot find it from the get-go. Once it is enabled, as long as you chose the option to connect a new device on your car's settings, you will be able to find it available on the list of nearby devices here. So once you see the car appear on the list of available devices, choose it from the list and the connection will be established. The Galaxy device is now going to appear on the list of saved devices and it is going to remain connected indefinitely. Every single time that you are in close proximity of your car with your phone, you will be able to use the Bluetooth functions automatically. And usually there will be icons to tell you what you can use. So in this example here, you can use audio, you can answer calls, and Android Auto is disabled, but you will be able to enable it for certain car models. Like I said, if you are unsure if your car supports Bluetooth, then check the manual and how to enable it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S21 to car Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.